Soon Technology, Beijing Company Limited, is a professional manufacturer specialized in producing bike trainer, bike repair stand, bicycle rack, bike kickstand, and bicycle luggage carrier. The company has advanced production line to guarantee the quality. We concentrate in technology innovation, research, production, and sales. Provide users with completed one-stop bike sports solutions. We also have a strong team with 110 workers and 10 technical personnels. These are the foundation of technical ability, independent research, and development ability. We paid high attention to product quality and enterprise management, with quality as the core value, and passed ISO 9001 quality management system. Our products conform to international standards such as CE, GS. Our goods are hot sale all over the world, especially in Europe, America, Australia, and Saudi Arabia. Our sale amount is rapidly growing in these years. In addition, we have passed BSCI audit, which is famous in the world, and we have enough experience in working with big supermarket. We welcome OEM and ODM orders. Whether selecting current products from our catalog or seeking engineering assistance for your application, you can talk to our customer service center about your sourcing requirement. We can produce products with your design logo and color box. We release at least 3 new products monthly to meet the latest market trends. We are looking forward to cooperate with you, and we think we are the good choice for you too.